Hi guys, welcome back to KayaPlus TV. Today we are going to start a brand new series called We Are in Business. KayaPlus is all about getting our readers and followers to invest and buy good companies. But we know that studying companies that are in a business which you are not familiar with can be quite scary and challenging at the same time. So what's more better than we come up with a mini series to cover some of the listed company business model to get your investing journey kick-started. Word of caution, the company that we are going to talk about is purely on educational purpose. Please do your due diligence before investing in any companies, and all this information that we share didn't serve as any buy or sell call. So what are you waiting for? Are you ready for the first company that we are going to cover, which is CIMB Group Holdings Berhad? CIMB Group Holdings Berhad is the second largest bank in Malaysia in terms of market cap, operating in 16 countries in the ASEAN region and worldwide. Being the second largest bank in Malaysia, CIMB derives most of the profit and revenue from its home base Malaysia, and also having a strong presence in Singapore, Thailand and Indonesia. The main business of a bank is to lend money and collect interest income. CIMB Bank is one of the great examples. A huge chunk of CIMB Group holding derived from its loan business and interest income. Around 57% of its revenue come from its lending businesses. Besides, it also draws a partial of its revenue from its Islamic banking operation. This income derives from the investment of its depositor funds and investment account. Next, CIMB Group Holding also earns fees and commission from its loan, financing and advanced services. Being one of the largest consumer bank in Malaysia, this fee definitely will grow together with their borrowing businesses. Unlike its competitor Maybank, who has a big chunk of income derived from its insurance portfolio, which is relatively diversified if compared to CIMB. Actually, CIMB do have some sort of other income stream. In this case, insurance is one of the examples, but it only contributes in a very small percentage of it. But you should specifically take note on this. Now, Touch and Go is wholly owned by them. If you are a strong believer in contactless payment and you think this will be the future of banking, you should be taking note and monitor how it performs from time to time. As a major bank in Malaysia, it automatically becomes a proxy for shareholders who are bullish about Malaysia growth. So this is definitely a bank you wanted to study further. That's all for today's video. Hope we share something useful and insightful for you before you wanted to invest into this company. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel if you are interested to learn more about investing. Feel free to leave the company you want us to cover in the comment section. We'll definitely look into it and share it sometime in the future. Till we meet again, bye bye.